What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of all things Mielle. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be trying out two new products from mielleorganics. Earlier in the year, they actually launched a brand new collection. It was their Hawaiian Ginger Moisture RX collection. They came out with an overnight conditioner, a hair butter, a leave-in conditioner, a gel, and a scalp spray. And then here just recently, I think on Thanksgiving, they launched a shampoo and conditioner. So Mielle is one of my favorite brands, and when I found out that they were launching the shampoo and conditioner, I made sure to place my order. On Thanksgiving, they actually had a sale where everything on the website was $5. So I went ahead and picked up the shampoo as well as the conditioner. So I'm going to be reviewing and demoing both of those for you guys today. Before I get started, please take a moment though, go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure that you click the notification bell so that you do not miss when I post new uploads. I started with the moisturizing and anti-breakage shampoo that's infused with avocado and ginger to hydrate your curls, and it is sulfate free. It says to apply this moisturizing and anti-breakage shampoo to wet hair, massage into a rich lather, and rinse. For best results, shampoo twice. I only shampooed once. And then it says to follow up with the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Conditioner. So like I said, they do have an overnight conditioner, and I do have that, but I didn't use it this time because I started off coming out of a protective style and my hair was already straight, so I didn't feel like I needed to do an overnight pre-poo, so I didn't. So I just went straight in with this shampoo. The one thing that I have to say that I hate about this shampoo is the packaging. The product was so hard to get out of the nozzle, especially because my hands were wet and it just felt like I was pumping forever just to get a little bit of product out. But other than that, the shampoo, it just performed like a regular shampoo. I did not dislike it. It was okay. One thing that I did like about this shampoo is it smells really good. It has a nice, fresh, clean, crisp scent. It's not too overpowering. It did not strip my hair. It cleansed it without stripping, and it didn't leave my hair tangled and matted, which was something I was worried about because I didn't do a pre-poo first. I just went straight in on naked hair, but it did what it was supposed to do. It cleansed my hair. It left it manageable. It didn't leave it matted or tangled, which I hate when shampoos do that. So I would recommend the shampoo. I'm not sure if I will buy it again because I think I prefer the pomegranate and honey shampoo over this one. This one is a lot thicker than that other one. The other one is a little easier to get out of the pump and just easier to work with, but I did like it. I just don't know if I would repurchase it again. So then I followed up with the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Conditioner, and this is formulated to deliver moisture and hydration to condition every hair strand. So it says that you're supposed to apply this to wet hair after shampooing from root to tip, leave on 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Then it says to follow up with our Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Leave-In Conditioner for added hydration. So I have to say that this conditioner really surprised me. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I don't really like using conditioners that are geared towards natural hair because normally they don't have the slip that I need, and I like slip for detangling my hair because I detangle during the conditioning step. But this conditioner had so much slip. Like as soon as I applied it to my hair instantly started to soften and detangle. As you can see from the clips, I could run my fingers through it, and then it allowed me to detangle with my shower comb, which is what I always do. So I really enjoy this conditioner a lot. I actually wish I would have purchased more from the website since they were only $5 when I got this one, but I think it's only $9.99 regularly, so I will be picking up another one of these. I loved this conditioner so much, and I definitely recommend it. I don't know if I left it on for 10 to 15 minutes like the directions stated, because as you know, I always deep condition anyways after I rinse out the conditioner. So I left it on long enough for me to detangle and twist up my whole head, and then Once I rinsed the product out, it still felt great. Sometimes once you rinse the product out of your hair, it doesn't feel as good as it initially felt, but this one still felt good. My hair was primed and ready to go for deep conditioning. So I really enjoy that conditioner, and I almost want to say that you could probably use this as a deep conditioner if you wanted to. Like, I almost wanted to leave this in my hair and just forget about deep conditioning, but I didn't. I might try that next time. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. Those are my thoughts on the shampoo and conditioner. I did use that shampoo and that conditioner before I went in to do this style. If you are interested in seeing how I achieve this style, stay tuned, because my next video I will actually be using the styling products from the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger collection. I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner, the butter, as well as the gel, which I have never used before. So that will be coming up in my next video. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. As of right now, I think you can only get these two products on the website, but I'm sure they will be popping up in some beauty supply stores soon, because I have seen the other products in the collection in my local beauty supply stores, and I've also seen them in Target, so I'm sure they will be in Target soon as well. And like I said, they are both regularly $9.99, but I got them during the $5 sale. So that's it for part 1 of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.